In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points and numbered lists in WordPress, a straightforward task that you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your blog posts or creating a structured page, knowing how to introduce lists is a fundamental skill that enhances the readability and professionalism of your content. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is your command center for building and managing your website. From there, if you're not logged in already, it's time to do so. Head over to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you'll be welcomed to your WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, it's time to decide where you want to add your list. You can either choose an existing post or page, or perhaps you're adding a new one altogether. For this guide, let's assume you're creating from scratch. On the left side, you'll see options for posts and pages. Click on the one that suits your need. Now that you've selected where you want to add your list, let's talk about utilizing the block editor. WordPress has this handy plus block button that's your key to customizing content. Click on that button and you'll open up a menu of various content blocks available for you to use. We're interested in creating a list, so the next step is straightforward. Simply type "list" into the search bar at the top. Upon hitting search, you'll see an option called Icon List. This is what you want. Click on Icon List, and you'll be presented with a choice between a bulleted list or a numbered list. Bullet points are particularly great when listing out items that don't require a specific order, while numbered lists are ideal when outlining steps or instructions that do follow a sequence. Choose the one that best fits your content needs. Remember to format each point or step clearly, taking advantage of this visual structure to keep your readers engaged. And there you have it, a professional-looking list that enhances your page's clarity and readability in just a few clicks. As you practice and become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find that adding structured lists to your WordPress pages and posts becomes second nature. Not only does it organize information neatly, but it also enhances the overall aesthetic of your content. So next time you're updating or creating content, remember the power of bullet points and numbered lists. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging!